So hello everyone. So I am Emiluise Bunayo and I'm gonna teach you how to make a land use land cover map of your certain area. So here in my area is Pangantukan Bukidnon. So this is the land use land cover map. So first you need to go to your browser and search for ESRI Sentinel to land cover land use map. Land cover explorer. And then it actually depends on what area you are assigned to or you want to explore. So for in my case, so it would be Pangantukan, Bukidnon, and such. So here, so this is the area of Pangantukan, Bukidnon. As you can see, the water, the land cover classes below. So here for water, the blue one, yellow for crops, white for ice, green for trees, red for built area, gray would be the clouds, and the other shade of green for flooded vegetation, bare ground, and the rangeland. When you see your specific area, here, Pangantukan, so you're going to download the GeoTIFF file. So in my case, I need to look for the area of Pangantukan Bukidnon and these zones. So my area would be here. So this zone would be the one I'll be downloading. I'm gonna click here and then download the recent file for GeoTIFF. As you can see, it's being downloaded. So I'll be canceling this since I have a current file already. So I'll be canceling that. So I was just showing you on how to download this specific GeoTIFF file. So here, this is my GeoTIFF file. So first, you're going to open your QGIS, and then for those who doesn't have QGIS yet, you can download this on your own browser and search for GIS platforms. So in my case, I chose QGIS as it is free compared to ArcGIS and other GIS platforms. So here, first, when you are on the GIS platform, gonna search for your GeoTIFF file. So in my case, I will look for it on my downloads. So I'm scrolling for a while. So here, these are my GeoTIFF files. So you will drag your GeoTIFF files in your layer area. So here is the area on which I downloaded from GeoTIFF from the ESRI website. And then next one would be you're gonna open, you need a background for this as your map. So we're gonna go to web, then equip map services, and then OSM standard. So this web option is available on your plugins. Just search and install for your certain plugins. So I used Quick OSM map service and Quick OSM. So here, after having the background of the GeoTIFF file, so it is being represented, the layers are present here at the bottom left screen. Then next to be done is to raster your files. So here you need to wrap for it to have a proper map. So first, you need to find the source CRS and the target CRS. So in my case here, you need to open this, just double click it, double tap it, and go to the information button, and then find the CRS option. So here, the name of the CRS would be the ESPG UTM Zone 51. So this, you need to open this again, raster, projections, and wrap. So your source would be the CRS here, and the target CRS would be the Philippine Zone 5. This is where the area of Pangantukan in the projection. Then you can run this up. We need to wait a few minutes, a few seconds for this. So the goal of this wrapping and reproject is to combine the map in this GeoTIFF file. So let's wait a bit more. And then it's complete, so we need to close this up. So with this, you can delete or remove the layer, since you're not gonna need this anymore. And then the next would be, we need to wrap the target CRS. So here, we need to click the SPG and then look for PRS 92. Here, we need to find the trans Philippines. Actually, you need to find for Philippines and find on whatever area your land would be. So in my case, it would be the PRS 92 Philippine Zone 5. So we need to apply that, and then okay. So here, with this, we can we can see nothing actually had happened yet. I'll just check this first. Okay, so for this, you need to get the boundary of your area. You need to click the plugin Quick OSM. Again, it can be downloaded or it can be installed in the plugins. Just search for the Quick OSM. So for it, you need the values or key and values. This area should be filled. So with this, you need, as we need our boundary, we need to put our boundary, and then administrative. So it's really not necessary to put this here. I'm just gonna put this anyway. So the village or the town or the area you are assigned to or you want to explore, this would be the Pangantukan Bukidnon, and then we're gonna run the query. Okay, so as you see, a successful notification at the top. So we can see our area being layered and being classified here. So we actually don't need this area, line and the shape. So we just need this line. So we're gonna change this. Open the boundary administrative, and then for the symbology, change this to simple line, change its color, and then for it to be, for the area to pop up, you need to change the stroke, then apply. There. So for this, Next thing we would do would be rastering it again. Raster and then extraction, and then clip raster by mask layer. So here you're gonna put the input layer as the reprojected, and then the mask layer for boundary administrative node. Then you're gonna run this again, and as it's finished, so another layer has been present, so the clip mask. So with this you can delete the reprojected layer as it's being there is another layer for it. You can it was being replaced by the clip mask layer, so you can remove this one up, and then you can see that the geotiff file, the map, and the colors are present on the specific area you are interested to. So with this, you need to open this for you to know assign colors or assign the characteristics of a certain area. You need to go to the symbology and then click for the colors available. So with this, you actually really don't need this all black color layer, so you can delete this up. Oops. Okay. And then remove this. So I'm going to apply and then clip mask. Close the clip mask. And then you're gonna assign the specific color of on the map. So by assigning this, you need to open again the ESRI land cover and then look for the classes on the bottom area to also have the reference for the colors and the symbology of your land use cover in your QGIS. So here, the blue one would be the water. I'm gonna put this one up. Water, then green for trees. So after labeling the certain colors, so you can just remove the other colors after. So this we need to this actually crops and built area for red. So this is in reference with this, the blue, yellow, red, and Bergan rangeland. So with this, so you can remove this up and then gonna apply this, and there you're gonna open the clip mask. So this is the only labels that you can see as its colors. So you can see this temporary sketch layer at your layer bar. So you need to, for it to be not deleted, so you need to save this up. So you can change the file as the boundary 1, and then clip mask. Actually, no. Export this and say, let's say, addition layer file, colors, and then this one for boundary line, and this for boundary point. So for this, you need to change data source for it and find the downloads area. Where was it saved earlier? Export definition layer file, then your downloads. Yeah, so it's here. So it's here being saved. Just change its data source and find the downloads. Colors. Oh, it's not being found here. So just refresh this up. So if ever you can't see this in your data source, you can just drop it from your file folder. In this case, my GIS seems to be lagging. So here, you can just drop this here, and then just remove the other layer there. So with this, we can continue on placing our area on the map. There. So you can go to your print and then go for trial, and then you can change your page properties here on your right area. I want it to be portrait, so we're gonna go add the map here. Oops, be rendering. The map will be rendered here, this area. So we're gonna pick on what would be our scaling. So I will choose 250,000. And for this to be centered, you can just click select move and then move item. So for this for you to not have the map to really move and being displaced on the paper. So actually, I want to change this 7,000. Oh, actually no. Okay, here 200,000. Scale would be the 200,000. So here I want to add an item for my north arrow. I'm gonna place my north arrow here. So in the right area, you can actually change picture being placed. Just toggle you can pick on whatever image you like. So I pick this since actually it's quite formal. So you can change the color of it, and then yeah, it actually depends on you. And then the next would be the add label. You can put your labels here. So I'm gonna put okay, no. Land use and land cover map. There. So you can actually change your font style. What would it be to have a underline, its size there, and its color. Change it there. So the next would be our scale bar. So I prefer putting my scale bar here. So with this, you can put 3 segments. Actually, no, I want this one here. There. I want 4 segments. And then I want it to have another color, you can change it on its primary fill there. And then if you want proper scale, you can change this also. So I want this to be 5. So it's actually on you, on how you will design your land use land map. And then finally you can go to the legend area, change this one here. So this is based on what I have here actually. Where was it? So here. So this is on my layers. So first I will just remove those first. So here, cancel auto update for it to not rely on the QGIS system on here in this area. And then I'm gonna unclick the background for it to have a transparent area there, so we can remove this up. So you don't have to worry about anything on changing this one. So you can put this as a land keys, and then the boundary line. You can change that, the areas here, and then you can delete this one and also this. So you're now left with this. You can change its font in terms of what you actually like. So font, how big would it be? The item font, you want this in that color, and you can change so its font size by scrolling your mouse. And then with that, until you are satisfied, you can just arrange this area. Oops, there, I've displaced my map. So there. So you can actually move this here or anywhere you like. Pick proper colors and what you desire. So at the end, so this is my final product. So that would be on making a land use and land cover map using ESRI Sentinel to land cover.